Got one.
Alright, I'm downstairs with you, bro. Let's stick together. I'm lagging, bro. Stick together.
I threw a cluster on top of the building. I'm trying to loot.
Hey, I done right here, bro.
There, I got movement.
Oh, bro, the CX-9 is trash.
But you're not going down without a fight.
My favorite weapon.
Oh, your favorite weapon? Nature break.
Don't say that! You don't say that!
Damn, dude. I got 6 kills with 3,000 damage. This is some bullshit, bro.
I got almost 1,000 damage with 1 kill. That makes sense.
That
You made it to the top 5.
a little bit of sense. I mean, it's not that far off.
Should have 2 if you're calculating right. If your math is right, but I've heard you talk about Celsius and Fahrenheit, so...
They actually have 3. It's 250s on full health. 750. Really have like
Yeah,
3.5 kills.
I mean, yeah, Celsius.
Damn, I got 5, bro. I'm lagging my dick off.
Marking new safe zone.
I'm playing with my toes,
Time's
so y'all
up.
figure it out.
Objective failed.
Suck, bro.
Gas is moving.
Alright, so
I had hands. What y'all's excuse?
Ooh, this man.
oh my god, this man's out of ammo, bro.
Bro, you
No
better rush
fucking
him, rush him,
ammo.
rush him.
Oh,
It's 2v3, bro. Just rush that
LMG
shit.
and SMG. Yeah.
2v1.
Knock his ass up.
Get
Get his shit.
his shit.
Yeah. And reload,
Reload. Don't reload that RPD.
Gas is closing in.
Reload that.
Relocating the safe zone.
Reload something,
EPSA
bro.
on your left,
Reload
bro.
that RPD.
No, behind you, bro.
there
Check
you
behind
go.
you. There's someone.
Here goes. It's
Bro,
behind.
I said you shut the fuck up and let him carry us.
Let's go sweat.
Yes. Jesus.
That's what I'm saying, bro. I'm over here being quiet. These niggas are like, hey, get that PPSA. Hey, no reload.
Bro, I just don't reload out PD. Like, he's not right now. Just stand there.
27
Good job, everybody.
divided by 8.
At least I didn't get carried.
Good job, Sweat.
3.
Sweat was the real anchor of this team.
First time he ever heard that in his life. He'll take that to his grave. He'll fucking record that and play that.